In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stay safe on Zoom app. Whether you host classes, team meetings, or family calls, a few small settings make a big difference. We'll open the app, make sure it's up to date, use strong meeting passwords, and turn on the waiting room while preventing anyone from joining before you arrive. Let's get started. First, open the Zoom app. Launch it from your desktop or mobile device using the official app you've installed from a trusted store. Sign in and land on the Home or Meetings tab so you can reach your settings quickly. If you see any prompts to restart due to an update, don't postpone them. Updates often include important security fixes. Next, update Zoom and keep it current. On desktop, click your profile icon in the top right and choose Check for Updates. Install anything available and relaunch if asked. On mobile, visit your app store and apply the latest update there. Staying current closes known vulnerabilities, improves encryption, and ensures security features work as intended. Make it a habit to check for updates before important meetings so you're not troubleshooting mid-call.